This was always my favorite scene in Mulan.
So, why exactly are you fighting against Chang Wu anyhow?
Trust me, if you knew him too, you would do the same. He's crazy, I tell you.
What if he attacks right now?
Don't worry, I have help all around us.
I can't get this dang bottle open.
Don't touch that!
Why?
It's a hand grenade. I brought it for our protection, but for now, let's watch the show.
I'm sorry, sir, but,
Good evening, Fräulein.
the bar is closed.
So? We're not thirsty.
But I am, Goddess Sam Adams.
You bet we do. You can go around the world and never find a better beer than Samuel Adams. But I told you, we're closed.
Then my words, they are still open. Now, did you see a woman coming here?
I don't know who you're talking about.
You're lying. Looks like we'll have to do it the hard way.
The show is interactive!
Uh-oh.
I guess it's time to use this.
Just press the cap and throw it.
You tell me now what Jing Lee, eh? Uh-oh.
Time to go. This party's over.
What was that? Find her and bring her to me. King Shi Huangdi will then decide her fate.
Are you here? Just come out and everything will be fine.
Bon appetit, bozo. What are you doing? Stop this instant!
Ha ha ha! You dead meat!
Alright, Dan, you're saved, mate.
Defend yourself!
You have no escape. More! Hello, beauty. Come here, Papa.
Oh, shiny shield.
Man, these things are everywhere. Now that's what I call strong liquor. Where's Jing Lee?
She's been captured. We need to save her. Come on, let's go.
Hello, my name is Chang Wu, Jing Lee's brother. I am looking for her.
Well, you just missed it.
So I noticed. Hop in, 50 cents a ride.
We'll pay you later. Harry and I will take the taxi. The rest of you take the half-trot.
He's got us pinned down.
Under the seat.
Oh, but no.
By mistake, clipped onto the side.
At least we'll even up the odds. Forward, man.
They're gaining on us.
I'll take care of it. This will even up the odds.
What is that noise? Stop the fighting, please. I'm going to hell any minute. Peace, peace.
What a nutcase.
I've keep guard here. Give that rune all you have. Today we will be victorious.
Sir, armored vehicle heading straight for us.
Fire!
Sir, Master was inside that truck.
Oh no! Xi'an has suffered a loss of most vigilant fighter. Oh well. You keep a guard here.
We need backup now.
We need to make a break for the east gate.
How do you know the even is one?
I wonder how the others are doing. Let's just hope they're safe.
I'm almost on ammo here. Can we get some more?
Just use your ammo sparring line.
You like picking up well with this.
Come on, man. We all sitting now.
My stomach. I'm losing my strength. You must get to safety. They are your friends now. You must join them now.
How are you feeling? He's dead. We'll have to leave him here.
You give me right.
What happened to Texas?
The rebel destroyed, but I need to get to front line.
Run, Min! We're being overwhelmed. Let's take refuge in my place of safety.
What about the men in the city?
They will die for a glorious cause.
There goes Lord Sinister and Chang Wu. Let's follow them. Let's go.
Time we got Jing Lee in the backpack.